Welcome back, everyone. Basically this is gonna be the last episode for the RAM build, and what we got left in it is the emblems. We're gonna actually put a bed liner in there because the bed is pretty scratched up, so we're gonna clean that up by putting a bed liner in there. Also, we got the alignment done. Truck drives amazing, nice and straight, no pulling. Everything's within spec. And then also, the very most important thing is that we got our rebuilt inspection done. We got that sticker here in Florida. You get a sticker like that. So that's a proof of that's a seal of approval. It's all good to go. And as some of you have asked whether we're keeping it or we're selling it, we are going to be selling it since we got that rebuilt inspection out of the way. We just got the emblems that we're going to do, the bed liner. We're going to give it a nice test drive, make sure everything's good, and then it will be for sale. So let's get it going on getting the last of the little details left in there. We're going to get the emblems done, and then we're going to get the bed liner. Also, we want to give something back to you guys. We are going to be doing a small little giveaway at the end of this, so make sure you stay to the end of the video. We are going to be doing a nice little prize, so make sure you catch that. And so let's get to work. Alright guys, so you may be wondering why I'm sitting here sanding all these emblems. What we decided what we want to do is we are going to paint all these emblems. Everything's going to go in red, including the Rams. And then we're going to black this back out after we paint everything. So, gotta scuff up everything, then we'll use some adhesion promoter, and then we'll throw some paint on there and see what happens. Alright guys, so what the plan is we're going to use this little syringe thing, and we are going to try and putting the paint in there, and just so it kind of fills everything up. Let's see what happens. Alright, so we decided to put the 1500 not on the door, but on the hood, kind of like the newer style ones. So I think that's going to look good in there. Still got the 5. Alright, the other thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is we also got these door handles painted to cover up the textured black. So we're going to go ahead and get those installed on there also. Alright, so that's what this turned out like. Let's put it on there and see. Oh yeah, I think that looks real good. Glad that we did the background, so it looks like it's just a frame on there, and this looks like it's part of the grill. So looking good. Let's do the back. Last 2 emblems left, and then we got one other thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video. We'll do that next. And the other part that I forgot to mention was we had these made at the local sign shop. We're going to put these in the middle of the wheels because all of our emblems were missing for the name of the brand of the wheels. So we decided to make some Ram stickers and make our own. So let's go put those on. Alright guys, so we're finally done with this Ram. So glad that we're finally done with it, and we're really glad how it turned out. I think it turned out real nice. So let's just take a look at our hard work and see what came of it. One of the final touches that we did was we put that bed liner in there, because that bed, I mean, it was real scratched up, it was beat up. This was a nice touch to basically make it look like it's new again. The emblems, I think, turned out real good. That red with the black, it turns out real good. The bumpers, it came with chrome bumpers, and we decided to paint them. Also, I think that gave this truck that look that we're going for. The flares, without a doubt, the flares just gave this truck, it's lifted, it's got to have flares on it. The wheels, the rims that came with it, those were, they just fit everything real nice. The running boards, I'm really happy with those. They're nice, low profile aluminum, and they're sturdy. So really happy with these tow mirrors. They're so much better. You can see everything. You can either do that, you got options. It's got the blinker in there, so that's good. Light bar, I think that gave it a nice touch to it too, a little bit of custom look. I also think these, it used to say Ram 1500 there. Glad that we decided to split it up. It looks different from all the other Rams that you would see down the road that are the same body style. The headlights, those really fit this truck, I think, too. They got that nice LED strip in them, the halo. Let's actually turn them on and see. Again, with the red accents, the hooks. The front bumper was also chrome. We went with the painted. And then the interior. You guys remember what the interior looked like? I'm impressed in how good this came out. It's been probably 4 or 5 days since I cleaned it, and I'm happy to report there is no smoke smell, there's no kind of smell whatsoever. It just smells like a clean truck. So usually if you don't clean it out right away, or all the way correctly, it'll come back. And there's no smell, so I'm really happy. It was a lot of work, and I'm glad that I was able to get all of it out. Alright guys, so we also promised you a price reveal. So here it goes. The Ram itself, we won for $7,500. We had the Copart fees were $667 plus a $150 delivery fee. The parts, all the parts that we got on there, that includes the door, the bumpers, this upper piece, the fender, the suspension, the flares, the light bar, pretty much all the parts that we needed. All that comes out to $3,100. Then we had the final rebuild title inspection, which was only $125.25. So that brings us on this truck to a total of $11,542.25. So I don't know. Let us know in the comments below. You think that's a good buy, good deal? But then in that $11,500 that we did not include our labor that it took to fix this truck. Now it took us longer because we were filming, we were doing other projects. We had the Challenger that we're working on at the same time, but we estimated if it was just straight working, it was about 3 weeks that it took us to fix this from start to finish. And we're estimating that if, let's say you took it to a shop, about $7,000 just in labor that it would cost if you can't do the work yourself, and if you had somebody else do it. Now, that's kind of our guesstimate. I know there's going to be somebody that you're going to find cheaper. There's also going to be shops that are more expensive. So, And that also, the other thing that does not include the 3 days that it took me, 3 full days to detail this truck, inside and out. So, but that brings us, if we include that labor, it brings it to $18,542.25. These trucks with a lift kit, this kind of mileage, everything, they're going to be going around $30,000. So I think it's a decent, it's a good deal. But let us know anyway what you guys think in the comments. Alright guys, so the Ram's flexing real hard. I mean, we decided to find the closest thing that we could find to a little bit of an off-road. Since we are in Florida, everything's pretty flat and beaches here. So we found a rock that we could climb up onto, and also the trail that leads to this place. It's a little bumpy, that way we can check out this lift kit, the suspension, make sure there's no abnormal noises. So, we're going to head back to the shop, and then once we get back to the shop, we are going to do our giveaway. Alright guys, so we've made it back to the shop. We had a successful time out. The truck did phenomenal on the little bit of off-road that we found. It was quite a bit of fun. We've put about 300 miles on this truck already. The truck's doing great, driving perfectly, everything works, everything that you'd want from a truck. So we're really happy with it. Now I want to thank all you guys that have subscribed to our channel, that have watched these videos. I want to really thank you guys. We never imagined that even the part 1 of this truck would make it to 10, 20,000 views, and it's almost at 70, or it's a little over 70,000 views. Really want to thank you guys for subscribing, watching our videos, and we wanted to give back. So we are going to be doing a little bit of a giveaway, and this is what we're going to be giving away. Also goes along with our red theme on the truck. It is a Milwaukee set with the impact drill and driver set. So it's a pretty nice set, $200 value. I think somebody will really appreciate it and find good use to it. I know we always use all this stuff as we're working on these trucks or cars, and in order to be entered in the giveaway, we need you guys to like, subscribe this, and comment in this video. And we're going to give it a couple of weeks to give everyone a shot, and just be on the lookout in the next one of our next projects, which is this Audi right here. Little sneak peek. So make sure you guys watch the Audi builds. In a couple of weeks we're going to do the random generator, and whoever gets picked is going to get this brand new set, Milwaukee set. This isn't going to be the last one. We're going to try at the end of every project that we do, on the very last video, we're going to do some kind of giveaway. So it's either going to be another one of these, something else, I don't know yet, but if you guys keep watching them, you'll find out at the end of each project we're going to do some kind of giveaway, just to give something back to the YouTube community. Alright guys, so this build is 100% done. It's clean, detailed, inspected, we've driven it, so this one's 100%. It's ready for the market, putting it up for sale, and we're moving on to the next project. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like and comment on our videos. See you on the next build.